The world is a stage. The stage is a world of entertainment.
King Kasa, Selfi TV, no cassette, no.
King Kasa, aka D100, had a blast. With his brothers, Rasta, Itanji, the grimy boss, and the whole rock nation while celebrating his special day. On that day, the people came out and wished King Kasa, D100, everything happy. Plus, when the Selfi TV turned on, it made the whole rock nation feel extra special. A simple celebration, a gathering of friends, wishing the artist great happiness. On that day, there is music, camera lights, people drinking and dancing. After all, a joy that never ends. It was a great experience. The party did under a vibe so till the people them go home with happy memories of the whole scenario. Selfi TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD. We are watch. Kanabis Selfi TV, we are watch.